So today we're changing the cabin air filter for the E12 Corolla. And first we have to open the glove box because it's behind this. And here's this screw. So there's the screw, gotta open it. Take it somewhere. Okay. Then move this out of the way. Then press on both the sides and somehow get it out of here. That's a bit in the front. Like that. Put it somewhere. Then there's this clip, so just press on it and it should just come right off. And there's a clip on the other side, so you have to press it and the plastic just comes off. Then take the filter out of there, and as you can see it's kinda dirty, the old one. And this shows which side the filter has to be. Just put it somewhere for now and take the new one. And this one came with instructions, but we didn't need them. And somewhere should read which way the filter goes, so airflow has to go down in this one, and you know, basically the text is a good indicator also. So just put it here, where it's supposed to be. And it's right there. Then just put the clip back. Just push it back there. And then let's put the glove box back. Just like this, should be pretty much there. Push it back. Take the, I guess you could say pump, whatever that is. Put it back where it belongs to. The screw. And screw it back in, and that's basically it. And don't tighten it too much, just enough. And it works, and ta-da!